Hello everyone, what's up? So in this video, we will learn about does day trading really works? The answer is yes. Okay, so day trading. First of all, let me tell you that day trading is a very challenging job. Okay, so don't take it lightly. You can be successful by research and practice, by self-study, and you can also be successful by following a good mentor. But a bad direction can lead you to failure. Okay, let's talk about successful day traders in India. So, as you see, lack of info. As you see in this, I found this question on Quora. Who is the most successful day trader in Indian stock market, and how much does she earn? Okay, so this is very confusing question because as you can see, the answer given by Mr. Abhishek Kar that due to lack of information, it is hard to access who is the most successful trader in India because many are out there, but nobody is willing to show their P&L to you, or most of the people are not in the social media. So how can we know about this? All right. So simply a lack of information. Only broker may know who is the successful day trading because they have the access of their data, their trades, and exchange can know who is the most successful day trader in India, but we cannot know because due to privacy. So lack of info as not everyone has time to show off their trades on social media and privacy using multiple accounts. There are various reasons people want to show their trades, but for the some reasons such as using multiple accounts and various reasons make successful traders not show their P&L. Now, any successful trader must close in profit in end of the week as per my thinking. So, before being a day trader, I will clear all your doubt if you are thinking to be a day trader. Okay, first of all, you have to perform ultra fast because execution skills really matters when you think about being a day trader because as you can see on the charts, the movements are so much fast. Okay, and a day trader or a scalper who trades in 1 minute chart need ultra fast execution skills, otherwise he or she may not be able to perform. So first of all, you have to perform ultra fast and make sure you find a way to avoid noise in 1 minute chart, so it will improve your analytic skills. So most of the people say that 1 minute chart is very noisy, but if you learn in a correct way, you will find a way to clear that noise, and you can generate a huge income using 1 minute chart because 1 minute chart is the one that gives you fastest signal. Okay, the first about any trend we can only know from the 1 minute chart. Now try scalping and see how quick you are. Okay, scalping is a skill where you stay on a trade from few seconds to few minutes. So are you able to do such thing? Ask yourself. And now day trading do not suit to everyone. It's true. Okay, everyone have different psychology. So you have to make sure that you are you able to being comfortable with this. So some like easy things and are very sensitive, so don't try day trading as a very challenging business. Now challenges in day trading, let me tell you, with 2% risk management, 10% to 40% in a day is somewhat challenging for sure. Okay, you are trying to make money, but you have to make sure that you are perfect in something before you proceed. For each winning and for each losing trade you pay lots of taxes. This is true, because if you lose 5 trades uh, in a week, then you it's possible that you may make nothing because taxes will cover all your profits. After all those taxes, you have to take profits to survive in day trading. So unexpected losses will never let you survive. And what is unexpected losses? You often see that on the chart you see a big green or big red candles. Okay, that wipes away your all the stop loss. So these are unexpected. Okay, because you did not expected a bullish or a bearish big red candle or big green candle, and it wiped your account. It keeps happening, okay, every day. So you have to find a way to uh, get saved from this unexpected losses. So another thing is not like a job where you can take a break, have a coffee, and come back again. So you have to sit on the computer to keep tracking for any unusual activity because your money is involved. So if you lose your focus, then you lose your money. So you have to make money by defeating emotions. That is not easy things to bypass. Okay, emotion will haunt you for a longer time if you are starting the day trading from today. Let's say this is the most problematic issue you will face. One more thing, if you are taking any call services from any call provider for intraday, okay, it's very problematic because you see the execution skill really matters on the intraday, and if you are someone is saying you to buy or sell, so sometimes it happens very fast, and if you miss that, your stop loss is not properly placed, then it may wipe all your profits that you have earned using 1 week. So make sure that these things don't work. The calls such as buy here, sell here, okay? All right. So types of day trader. Let me tell you, two types of day trader. With I have seen that who trade in multiple securities in one time. Okay, let's say they have trading 5 to 6 or 15 to 20 securities in one time and tracking all of them using multiple monitors, and some of them who are trade and focus in a single security in one time. So, what type of trading skill you want to develop? You can ask yourself before starting as a day trader. So, are you able to track multiple charts in one time, or you are able to focus in a one single security in one time? So, am I a successful day trader? Okay. As per this question, there is a data, as you can see, no data on the internet who prove themselves as to be successful. So let me tell you, I'm being consistent from a long time, but you can judge from my trades and profit and loss I posted on previous video. So now let's analyze my experience as a successful trader. Okay, analysis of being a pro trader. So when you become a pro trader, how things will go, you can learn from my experience. Okay, so let's analyze my trade now for 1 week. I taken to showcase to my followers for learning purpose. How about being a pro trader? So this is my 1 week trade analysis crude one lot. Okay, so as you can see on the 4th July, I make 900 profit before tax, and this is profit after tax what I am getting on my account. Okay, so if I post my P&L for every day, my profit is a screenshot. You guys will see that I made 900 rupees. But in what is the reality? I'm just getting 646 rupees approx in my bank account. This is the reality part. Okay, you have to understand this very carefully because let's say all the trades I have done are using a one or two. These are between 1 to 3 trades only, not more than 3 trades on any day. So let's say on the 5 July I made 2300 rupees. That is 39.6% of my trading capital that I've used to trade. It was about and the amount I got in the bank was 90/20. Just like 8 July, I made 1300 and amount I got 1044. 9 July, I made 1500. Okay, I got only 1116. On 10 July, I made 2300. Okay, this 2 days, 10 July and 5 July, are the highest profit of my trading. So what I'm getting, as you can see here, I'm getting 90/20, and here I'm getting 2040. Why? It is because the number of trades I'm executing, the less brokerage and less taxes I'm giving to the trading. So let's say this one, 11 July, I made 400 and I got only 136 because two trades I have taken. One was lost, and second, in the second, loss was recovered to 400. Now 12 July, this is the most important thing. I got 400 rupees loss. That is 6.8% of my capital now. But as you can see, on the bank from my trading account, it only 700 rupees was deducted. Okay, so that's total 12%. So as you can see, I made such profit or of in total 7 days. I made 8300. That is 143% of my capital, the trading capital that I've used, and total capital was the double. Okay, double of whatever trading capital is used. So after the tax, my profit was 6,205 rupees, just 106% of my capital. Okay, so that's how the day trading is very challenging, because what you learn from here that if you are making losses, okay, then you will get nothing. This is the saying, because as you can see, this 400 losses is the taxes are so high, so I'm getting 700 losses. So let's say I'm making losses here, 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 okay, two profits and losses, 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 then I will not be able to survive. So how to survive in day trading is simply your strategy and your analysis should be very, very strong. Okay, if it's not strong, as some people, some professional says that your strategy, if your strategy is just 20%, then you can also survive, okay, by risk reward. But let me tell you that risk reward is very, very crucial thing, and you must always use that. But these are just copy of my trades, and my risk was not more than 10 to 13 rupees in a one trade. Okay, because you guys know that if we add more minimum, we have to add minimum 10 rupees stop loss in crude oil, otherwise we cannot survive in this market. You already know how much volatile is crude. So this is the reality, okay. But if I market it as like 8300 profit, 143% approximately of the capital I made in total 7 days, but the reality is just 106%, because all the taxes, the factor depends here is how much trades you are taking. So let's say these three trades I made 900. So due to three number of trades, my profit is just half. Okay, as you can see, 6.8% I got, and in the screen I made 15.5%. So these things you have to keep in mind. Okay, it's not an easy job. Now let's say if we discuss crude 10 lakhs in 10 lots, then you can see I could have made 83,000 rupees, and on the bank I have got 62,000 rupees for an example. So now let's discuss how day trading is marketed. Okay, as you can see in this screenshot, this is how day trading is marketed to you. So if you are a new trader, you will be allude with this thing. So what is wrong here? Most of the people just are showing you the this one, profit before tax, that we see on the our broker terminal. So how can you say that how many numbers of trades have been taken to generate this kind of profit, and what is the scenario here, such as what is the profit after tax? You don't know that. Okay, you just see the numbers. So dark side is not shown in marketing. Where bought, where sold, and with what quantity are not shown. You just see these numbers, and this is wrong thing. So even some shows entry exit, but they don't show P and L, so you are still in illusion. So usually it marketed by uploading some nonsense strategy and then big profits, profits and profits, and whatever you see in this channel, profit, and that's how day trading is marketed. And you, if you know the dark side that I've told you, you will learn understand the reality. So usually it's marketed by uploading nonsense strategy or anything where you just see profit. So people are distressed. Okay, they want to clear their loans, or they want to buy luxurious thing. They have something in mind that we can also make such profit, but it's very, very challenging. Okay, it took me 2 years practice before I could think about such profits. So you are trying to achieve in few months, that it's then I will say it's impossible, because you have to properly learn and focus on something, prove yourself with a small amount to be successful in day trading before you can start and making with big. So if you are distressed, if you have some emergency, if you want to clear some loan, and if you have any reason that is that where it leads to that you want to earn money, okay, immediately, then stop thinking about day trading because it's not going to work for you. This is not a correct way to enter in a day trading. So you definitely cannot become rich so quickly. Okay, if you are getting some get quick rich scheme, then it's not going to work for you because it's very challenging job. Let's analyze this once again. This is how I'm making 15%, 39% of the capital, but it's not possible to make this profit by everyone, because if you are making this, you can upload your P&L, and I will retweet your name on my Twitter account, so people will know about you if you are being consistent like this, like me. Okay, one or two losses are okay, but you have to be consistent like this. So if you are doing consistent trading, you can send me your name on Twitter with your video, because screenshot are mostly edited. I don't believe in screenshots. You have to upload a video using mobile app, okay, showing your P&L. So most of people don't know reality because they are distressed and they want to become rich. So day trading is not for them, and day trading for those who have patience, who want to learn seriously. Okay, the good things, the price action really works. So you have to understand this properly. Okay, even one small thing you miss, then you can become a failure. All the trades can become a failure for here. So what's the moral? Okay, the purpose of this video is to understand the reality of the day trading before you think about being a day trader. Okay, ask yourself, are you challenging enough and work hard for 2 to 5 years minimum to be successful? It takes 2 to 5 years to perform from self-study. Okay, like I do, only if you choose the right path of the learning. You will find many paths, such as you will find some YouTube strategy, combination of EMA and RSI, just like that. It will not work for you. You have to understand in every detail. So one red day was versus 5 green days, just like me. It will take minimum 2 to 5 years for you by self practice. Breaking the myth. Who says day trading is impossible? No, it's not impossible. Okay, it's challenging, I can say. So no, it's not. You are missing something, and you can achieve it. So calling it impossible gambling, but it's not. I have proved it by uploading my P&L and contract notes on Twitter. So on social media, you don't see reality. You want to see reality of 5 digit screenshots? Ask your P&L and get blocked. All right, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.